Wondering will she be mine? Walk past, I press rewind. See that ass one more time. And I got this soda. Women, boys, that know. Alright guys, we're back. And I have this container that I got from the dollar store. I poked some holes in the bottom so it can have drainage. And I'm going to try and plant the rest of these kale because they need replanting. As you can see, it's kind of drying out on a girl. I had a lovely weekend away, and when I came back, because I hadn't repotted them before I left, or hardly giving them any water, I wanted them to be completely dry for the transportation or transformation or whatever the case, transplanting from one to another. So I wanted it to be really dry. As you can see, filled it up pretty much almost halfway. So I'm going to do what I did last time. As you can see, I'm going to use this to kind of scoop it out. Okay, you want to be very gentle. You don't want to hurt the plant in any way. So I'm going to make a hole. I'm gonna make one hole and let that one sit there. And I guess forgot to put that tag in my jalapeno plant. So that's one. We'll try to plant 3 in here. What do you guys think? Is it too small for 3? Or should I? The roots look very healthy. They're nice and white and wrapped around. Furry. So I don't want to mess around with it too much. But so far, this is how we're looking. And I think I'm going to add one more. As a matter of fact, I'm not going to add one more. I'm going to save these 2 for another pot. So I'm just going to slide this one down just a little. That way I can have a couple of plants, spinach plants. I'll just spread the dirt all around like so. Make sure it's nice and tucked. Too much. And you just want to spread it around. Give it some love. Some love. When you're watering, I would suggest putting a bowl so you can catch the extra water to water other plants. I'm trying to savor as much water as possible. So the excess water from the other plants that I did, I'm gonna pour it in this bowl and then sit this kind of evenly on top. Kind of evenly on top so it could drain back in the bowl. Oop. I am a mess maker, I am. So that don't look like enough water, so we're gonna get some more. Give a second. So here we go. I mean to pour it directly on the plant, but I don't have my spray bottle in here with me. And it's just starting to drain. So, as you can see, down in there, the little drippings. It's just starting to drain, so it's well watered. And that's Transplant 2. So hopefully she got enough to last her through the week. And as you can see, we still had 2 more plants that transfer from here. And a mess of plants that transfer over here. So I definitely gotta get to this iron soon, like ASAP, because it's too big for this pot. Also, beautiful basil was dropping. Not enough sunlight, obviously. I decided to go on vacation, but that's neither here nor there. We're gonna get them transplanted, and we're gonna get them in a new home so they could flourish. And I'll see you guys next time. Wondering will she be mine? Walk past our prayers, rewind, see that as one more time. And I got this soul.